All right, data nerds, hold on to your keyboards. Do you know Fabric is brought to you by KratosBI, home of the data gods, funded and paid for 100% out of our own pockets from your donations and your support. No sneaky sponsors, no corporate overlords, and definitely no affiliation with any other company. KratosBI out. Welcome to Do You Know Fabric with KratosBI, home of the data gods. I'm your host, Chris Wagner, and we're making today the best day ever. Today we're at the T-Mobile Arena, minutes before Aruna Log gives a keynote speech at FabCon 2025. One fearless contestant is about to battle it out with Microsoft Fabric trivia for big cash. Here's the scoop. You'll face 5 questions, each tougher than the last, with prizes stacking up 5, 10, 20, 50, even $100. Okay. Choose the best answer from 4 options. Only my answer key counts. Okay. All right? No exceptions. Okay. Get it right, your money grows. Get it wrong, you lose it all, game over. Okay. It's all or nothing for the best day ever. Are you ready, Data God?
Sure. I hope I get the certificate after that.
Excellent. What's your name?
Mitesh Patel.
Mitesh, where are you from?
From Houston, Texas.
Oh, welcome to Do You Know Fabric, Mitesh.
All right.
All right, Mitesh. Choose your questions.
Here.
Number 2. Okay.
I watched your video, so...
Hopefully you'll know the answers, huh?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Question 1 for $5. What is the core advantage to Microsoft Fabric over traditional silos data tools? Is it A, it requires more manual configuration? Is it B, it unifies data and analytics in one platform? C, it limits users to a single data source? Or D, it focuses on hardware management?
B.
B is correct. It unifies data and analytics in one platform. That's the core advantage Microsoft offers, is it brings it all together, reducing silos, complexity, and compared to traditional tools, not increasing manual work. All right, question 2. Which Microsoft Fabric component is used to define business logic for Power BI reports? Is it A, Data Flows Gen 2, B, Lakehouse Tables, C, Real-Time Dashboards, or D, Semantic Models?
Semantic models.
D, that's correct. Semantic models in Fabric allow users to define business logic, relationships, and calculations for Power BI reports, unlike data flows, Lakehouse tables, or real-time dashboards. Good job. All right, you've got $10 in your pocket.
Oh,
we're going on for 20.
All right.
All right. What is the default file format used in Microsoft Fabric's OneLake for storing tabular data? Is it A, CSV, B, Parquet, C, Delta Lake, or D, JSON?
Parquet.
Is that your final answer?
I'm confused between Parquet and Delta Lake, so... Delta Lake.
Delta Lake C, is that your final answer?
I guess let's go with that. Yeah.
Yes, that is correct. Yeah.
There's a lot of material out there, so I was like, okay.
There is. OneLake in Microsoft Fabric uses Delta Lake as its default format for tabular data, offering benefits like ACID transactions and versioning over supplied formats like CSV, Parquet, or JSON, enhancing reliability and performance. Good job. All right, you've got $20 in your pocket.
All right.
Now this is going for 50. Do you want to continue on?
Yes, let's go.
All right. Which Fabric feature allows its users to define reusable data transformation logic across multiple pipelines? Is it A, Data Flow Gen 2 templates, B, shared semantic models, C, customized functions in notebooks, or D, Lakehouse partition keys?
Data Flow Gen 2.
Data Flow Gen 2 templates? Final answer?
Yes.
That's correct! Data Flow Gen 2 templates.
Second guess to me.
In Microsoft Fabric, enable users to create reusable transformation logic that can be consistently and efficiently applied across many data pipelines, promoting consistency and efficiency. Semantic models are for BI, notebooks are for ad hoc coding or data engineering, and partition keys offer storage, not transformation reuse. Good job. All right, you've got $50 in your pocket.
Oh, wow.
This question is for 100. Do you want to continue on, or do you want to take the $50?
No, I'll go for 100.
You're going for it? All right. Question 5. For $100, how does Microsoft Fabric's Lakehouse handle a query over a Delta table if a partition is corrupted? Is it A, the query skips the corrupted file and returns partial results? B, the query fails with a data integrity issue? C, the system rebuilds the partition from transaction logs? Or D, the query reroutes to a backup copy in OneLake?
That's a good question because I haven't been that in depth on that. I think data integrity issue.
Are you sure?
My best guess.
Best guess?
Yes.
I am terribly sorry. It's C. The system rebuilds the partition from the transaction log.
Okay.
Delta tables in Fabric Lakehouse use transaction logs to ensure data integrity. If a partition file is corrupted, the engine can reconstruct it from the log, assuming a prior commit is intact, avoiding partial results, failures, or reliance on non-existent backups.
All right.
Well, thank you
Thank you
so
so
much
much.
for
Yeah.
joining us. While you don't win any cash, you do get a wonderful Fabric and
Thank
Power
you
BI
so
button. Thank you for
Thank
tuning in.
Yeah.
You have the best day ever. Peace.